So this is how it is, just like on the MacBook. You just bring it close, and there it goes. Love it. No more fiddling around. It's really low profile. You don't really even feel it, and that's all you do to charge your phone. So no more trying to fiddle with that little connector. The lightning connector is a nightmare. Amazing. So again, it's this little piece. Trying to show you. It has the same metal or the prongs that your MacBook has. It's pretty ingenious. And you just put it into the lightning connector, and now you got the ability to just charge it like this. Cool, huh? So I'll leave a link below to where you can get this, and I really like it. It's pretty secure. I have no issues with it, and made my life a lot easier. Trying to drive and connect this with the lightning connector and trying to, jam it in, it's kind of difficult. But now I don't even have to, just bring it close, and that's it. So hope this helped you, and hope you like the product, and look in the description below for the link, and hope you like the product as much as I do. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Thanks for more videos.